How's it going, guys? Today I'll be unboxing this tailgate lock from Running for Tacos. It's not really going to be an installation video. I'm just going to unbox it and run through a few things. They have a wonderful video on YouTube already. Probably should have got a better knife. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, good tie straps. I don't have to use my own tie straps. That is good. Here is the lock itself. Lost this tie strap already. Look at this. Okay. Nice thick plate. Cool. So that's locked. More tie straps. Very good. Oh, here it is. The plug and play plug. This is what I love about it. This is why I purchased it. Because of this. I was going to purchase the pop-in lock a few years earlier, but I was kind of hesitant to cut some wires in my wife's brand new truck. So here it is. Some nice braided wire. Look at that. It's heat shrunked. Nice, nice, nice. Feels nice. It looks nice. It's gonna be great. More straps, more straps. Good. Yes. Oh, at least my receipt. Hide my address here. Tailgate lock, 3rd gen Tacoma for 2016 to 2021. Running for tacos. It doesn't come with instructions, but they do have a YouTube video on it. Alright, let's drop the tailgate. Gotta bring out the key. See, bringing out this little key here is just a hassle. It's a hassle. You can bring it out, scratch up the truck, scratch up the tailgate, just like somebody did here. Open this up, turn it. Oh, turn it the correct way. Don't forget to put this back. Now you can open it up. Oh. Wow, that was pretty loose. This little part over here seems a little loose. It's not in there that good. Hopefully that won't be a problem. I didn't have a 11/32 drill bit, but I do have a 3/8 drill bit, and it seems like it works great. Blue, blue, green, green. I'll put some dielectric grease in here. There we go. This might be the hardest part. Going on the ground. Wait, where am I going? Alright, it's going to be kind of close to the exhaust here. Oh. Snag! Snag! Oh. Alright, let's take out this floor mat. It's not embarrassing at all. Oh, you know what? Forget it. Leave it in there. Sorry. And now for the part that I do not like the most. Sticking a hole in the bottom of the truck. Oh, I gotta make it bigger. Okay, so for this part, I found that if you stick your screwdriver in here and you spread out the hole a little bit better, I mean more, it'll be easier to feed this line in, because I didn't want to end up with a huge hole. It's kind of stretched out now. It's alright. Okay, just gotta feed this up there. Pull it from the top. Man, the worst part about the install is I broke my slippers. Finally broke. Darn it. Okay, so here's the plug. It's kind of hard to mess this one up. I don't have too many plugs in here. Oh, there we go. Just have to push, pull, and wiggle. Okay, let's stick this one in. There we go. Click, click. That's a nice click. Oh, okay. Good click. Okay, let's see if it works. All right, got the keys here. Let's try unlock first. Unlock, lock. Oh, maybe the doors have to be closed. All right, let's try that again. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. What is going on? Lock. Lock. Unlock. Oh. Okay, so lock. I'm sorry, I wasn't. You gotta press it twice. You gotta press the unlock button twice. There we go. Man, this thing is super quiet. Lock. Unlock. Double click. Oh man, that's awesome. I think I supposed to put my wire underneath. Oops. I just have to put everything back. Zip tie some wires, some panels back, and I'll be done. Yeah. So that was fantastic. I didn't have to cut any wires or anything. The only part I don't like is putting a hole down here in the grommet down here. So I'm gonna have to put some, maybe like some RTV sealing or caulking or something. All right. So yeah, just for kicks and giggles, let's see if this key still works. Oh. Yes, it does. Yes, it does, but it's a little bit harder. It's fighting that motor, but it still works. All right. I'm not going to be using this for a long time. Let's see if the wife approves of this modification. Can you unlock the door, please?
It's locked.
Yep. Right. You got to use the key. No, you got to use the key fob.
Oh.
You have to press the button. You have to press it twice.
Wow! Oh my god. That is so awesome. I don't have to use the key. Ah!
Yeah. You like that? You like that? You only got to use a key for this though.
That is so awesome.
All right. And then to lock it, you just press lock. All right. That's it.
Cool.
Thank you so much, Running for Tacos. If the wife approves, I approve. Aloha and take care. Much mahalos.